Did you know that American rice farmers are making millions of dollars every year just by growing those simple white grains you eat every day? While most people think rice farming is just about planting seeds and waiting for harvest, the truth is far more fascinating and profitable than you could ever imagine. The United States produces over 18 million tons of rice annually, generating billions in revenue, and some individual farmers are earning anywhere from $2 to $10 million per year from their rice operations. But how exactly do they do it? And what makes American rice farming so incredibly profitable compared to other countries? We have split this complete guide into 4 essential parts to make it easy for you to understand this million-dollar industry. In the first part, we will discuss the advanced seed selection and preparation techniques that American farmers use to maximize their yields. In the second part, we will explore the high-tech planting and growing methods that set American rice farming apart from traditional approaches. In the third part, we will dive deep into the harvesting and processing systems that ensure maximum profits. And in the final part, we will reveal the business strategies and market techniques that help farmers earn millions from their rice crops. So grab your favorite snack, sit back, and let me show you exactly how American farmers have turned simple rice growing into a multi-million-dollar business opportunity. Part 1. Advanced Seed Selection and Preparation. American rice farming starts with something most people never think about: the science of seed selection. Unlike small-scale farmers who might just use seeds from their previous harvest, commercial American rice farmers invest heavily in genetically optimized seeds that can produce up to 3 times more grain per plant. These premium seeds cost anywhere from $200 to $500 per acre, but the return on investment is absolutely incredible. The process begins at specialized seed production facilities where agricultural scientists have spent years developing rice varieties that are specifically designed for American growing conditions. These seeds are tested for disease resistance, drought tolerance, and most importantly, yield potential. The most successful farmers work directly with seed companies to get access to the latest varieties before they become available to the general market, giving them a significant competitive advantage. Once the seeds arrive at the farm, they undergo a sophisticated preparation process that involves soaking them in precisely controlled water temperatures, typically around 60 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit, for exactly 24 hours. This soaking process activates the germination mechanism and ensures that nearly 100% of the seeds will sprout successfully. After soaking, the seeds are drained and placed in climate-controlled germination chambers, where temperature and humidity are monitored continuously by computer systems. The germination process takes about 48 hours, and during this time, farmers can see the tiny white shoots beginning to emerge from each seed. This controlled germination gives farmers a huge advantage because they can plant seeds that are already in the growth phase, reducing the time from planting to harvest by up to 2 weeks. This might not sound like much, but in commercial farming, those extra 2 weeks can mean the difference between getting 1 harvest per season versus getting 2 harvests, effectively doubling the annual income. Modern American rice farmers also use a technique called seed priming, where seeds are treated with special solutions containing nutrients and growth hormones. This treatment costs about $50 per acre, but can increase yields by 15 to 20%, which translates to thousands of dollars in additional revenue per acre. The primed seeds are then dried and stored in temperature-controlled warehouses until planting time. Part 2. High-tech planting and growing methods. When it comes to planting, American rice farmers have completely revolutionized the traditional methods you might see in other countries. Instead of the labor-intensive manual planting that requires dozens of workers, American farmers use precision planting equipment that can plant hundreds of acres in a single day with just 1 operator. The planting process begins with field preparation using GPS-guided tractors that can level and prepare the soil with millimeter precision. These machines cost upwards of $500,000 each, but they allow farmers to prepare their fields with perfect uniformity, ensuring optimal growing conditions across every square foot of their property. The leveling process is crucial because rice needs to be grown in flooded fields, and even small variations in field height can lead to uneven water distribution and reduced yields. Once the fields are prepared, farmers use specialized rice planting machines that can plant seeds in perfectly straight rows with exact spacing. These machines are equipped with computer systems that monitor seed placement, depth, and spacing in real time, making automatic adjustments to ensure optimal planting conditions. The precision of these machines is so advanced that they can plant seeds with less than 1-inch variation in spacing across entire fields. The water management system is where American rice farming really shows its technological superiority. Instead of relying on natural rainfall or simple irrigation, commercial rice farms use sophisticated water management systems that include networks of canals, pumps, and computer-controlled gates. These systems can maintain water levels within half an inch of the optimal depth across thousands of acres, and they can automatically adjust water flow based on weather conditions, plant growth stage, and soil moisture levels. During the growing season, farmers use drone technology to monitor crop health and identify potential problems before they become serious. These drones are equipped with specialized cameras that can detect diseases, pest infestations, and nutrient deficiencies that would be invisible to the human eye. The data collected by these drones is processed by artificial intelligence systems that can recommend specific treatments for different areas of the field, allowing farmers to apply fertilizers and pesticides only where needed, reducing costs and maximizing effectiveness. The fertilization program used by successful American rice farmers is also highly advanced. Instead of applying the same fertilizer to the entire field, they use soil testing and plant tissue analysis to create customized fertilization programs for different zones within their fields. This precision agriculture approach can cost $200 to $300 per acre, but it typically increases yields by 25 to 30% compared to traditional methods. Part 3. Harvesting and Processing Systems. The harvesting phase is where American rice farmers really demonstrate their efficiency and profitability. Modern combine harvesters used in American rice farming are massive machines that can cost over $1 million each, but they can harvest, clean, and process rice at rates that would be impossible with traditional methods. These advanced combines can harvest up to 100 acres per day, and they perform multiple functions simultaneously. They cut the rice plants, separate the grain from the straw, clean the grain to remove debris, and load it directly into transport trucks. The grain handling system is so efficient that farmers can go from standing rice in the field to cleaned grain ready for storage in less than 30 minutes. The key to maximizing profits during harvest is timing and moisture management. American rice farmers use sophisticated monitoring equipment to track the moisture content of their rice crops and determine the optimal harvest time. Harvesting rice at exactly the right moisture level can increase the final sale price by 10 to 20%, which represents thousands of dollars per acre in additional revenue. After harvesting, the rice goes through an advanced drying and storage process that maintains quality while preparing it for market. Commercial rice farms have invested millions of dollars in grain drying and storage facilities that can process thousands of tons of rice per day. These facilities use computer-controlled drying systems that remove moisture from the rice while preserving its nutritional value and appearance. The storage systems used by successful rice farmers are designed to maintain grain quality for months or even years, allowing farmers to sell their rice when market prices are most favorable. These storage facilities are equipped with temperature and humidity control systems, as well as pest management systems that protect the rice from insects and rodents without using harmful chemicals. Part 4. Business Strategies and Market Techniques. The final piece of the puzzle that separates million-dollar rice farmers from average farmers is their approach to marketing and business management. Successful American rice farmers do not just grow rice. They operate sophisticated agricultural businesses that include crop insurance, futures trading, and direct marketing to premium buyers. The most profitable rice farmers use futures contracts to lock in prices for their crops before they are even planted. This strategy allows them to guarantee their profit margins and reduce the risk of price fluctuations. By selling futures contracts for 60 to 80% of their expected harvest, farmers can ensure profitability even if market prices drop during the growing season. Many successful rice farmers also participate in government programs that provide additional income through conservation payments and crop insurance. These programs can provide $200 to $500 per acre in additional revenue, significantly boosting overall profitability. The most successful farmers work with agricultural consultants to maximize their participation in these programs while maintaining compliance with all regulations. Direct marketing to premium buyers is another strategy that can dramatically increase profits. Instead of selling all their rice to commodity markets, successful farmers identify specialty buyers who are willing to pay premium prices for high-quality rice. This might include organic food companies, restaurant chains, or export markets that value consistent quality and reliable supply. The combination of advanced technology, efficient operations, and smart business strategies allows American rice farmers to achieve profit margins that would be impossible with traditional farming methods. While the initial investment in equipment and technology can be substantial, often requiring several $1 million, the potential returns make rice farming one of the most profitable agricultural enterprises in America. The most successful rice farmers are earning between $5 and $15 million annually from their operations, proving that with the right approach, rice farming can indeed be a path to extraordinary wealth. If you found this deep dive into American rice farming fascinating and want to learn more about how modern farmers are revolutionizing agriculture to earn millions, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Smart Farming Inside for more incredible insights into the world of profitable farming. We regularly share the latest techniques, technologies, and business strategies that are helping farmers around the world build multi-million-dollar agricultural empires. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos on smart farming innovations. What other crops or farming techniques would you like us to explore next? Drop your suggestions in the comments below, and we will see you in the next video.